1965, Andy Warhol announced his retirement from painting to explore other types of art. A few weeks later, he released a helium balloon from his factory roof into the New York skyline. That was the beginning of his internationally acclaimed Silver Clouds.
One step ahead of the frost, and your baby ain't no baby anymore. He's doing the cross-country walks. Your baby ain't no baby anymore. He's doing the cross-country